Hi, Matt here with Capell Flooring and Interiors. Welcome to another edition of What's in the Box. So, if you're new to our channel, basically what I've been doing in this series is we get samples from the flooring mills and I open them up on the spot and talk about them. And it's kind of fun because you can see my first impressions. You know what the latest and greatest is. And you can even watch me fumble over my words at times, which is fun too. So, appreciate you tuning in to watch. And this carpet, let's see what we got. So this is from DH Floors, which used to be Dixie Group. I think they're rebranding. So this is part of their Dura Silk line. This particular style is called Balance. So this one's probably going to shed a little bit because it's cut. So here basically we have what's called a LCL. So you have loop and cut. So it's kind of like a quasi between a frisé and a Berber, but it feels soft. Let's look a little bit about it. So it's called Balance. It's part of their DuraSilk solution dyed polyester. So solution dyed, we love that. I mean, they say here, solution dyed, which is inherently stain repellent, locking out the toughest stains. And like I've mentioned before, we've put bleach on solution dyed polyester and doesn't really do anything to that. I have another video where I did a big experiment with all different fibers on our channel if you want to check that out. But it looks like Balance here. So Dixie or DH Floors has a tendency to kind of have themes with their names, which is fun. So Balance, we have Zen, peaceful, serene, tranquil, composed, harmony, poise, centered. So those are all good terms. When life's stressful, we should be more balanced and be like those. Another thing too is as far as the pattern repeat goes, there's a little bit of a pattern, but this is what they call a random pattern. So you don't really have to add a lot of carpet for the pattern match. Carpets that are like this though, where they're kind of directional though, it's always best to try to do a seam this direction right here, rather than what we call an end seam if you can when laying out this carpet. And like most DH floor, you can make a custom rug out of this. We can also make custom rugs out of any carpet that you have too. But yeah, this looks like a nice piece. Could be used in lots of different elements in a house. And so, yeah, this is called Balance. So it's a good reminder that we should have balance in our lives, be happy, compressed, have some zen, as it says. So appreciate you watching and have yourself a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon.